If you are planning a trip to Walt Disney World anytime in 2026 or beyond, and you are wondering whether the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort is actually worth booking, then keep watching this entire video. In the next few minutes we are going to walk you through our recent one-night stay in room 5169, give you a complete honest room tour, break down every single cost including that resort fee, show you all the amazing shared amenities across the Swan and Dolphin complex, and most importantly reveal exactly how we scored an unbelievably low rate and how you can save big money on your next hotel stay too. Stick around until the very end, because we are sharing our favorite smart travel trick that could save you up to 40% off your bookings, and we will also talk about how to make the most of your Marriott Bonvoy membership. So let us start with the basics about this hotel. The Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort first opened its doors back in June 1990, and it sits directly on Walt Disney World property in the Epcot Resorts area. That prime location means you are literally just a short easy walk away from both Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. No buses or boats required for those two parks, which saves you a ton of time every single morning. The Dolphin is proudly part of the Marriott family, so it participates fully in the Marriott Bonvoy Rewards program. That is a huge advantage if you are already earning points with Marriott. Plus, this hotel shares every single one of its fantastic amenities with the nearby Walt Disney World Swan and Swan Reserve hotels. That basically gives you access to 3 beautiful resorts in one, which makes your stay feel even more luxurious. Stay tuned, because those shared amenities are honestly one of the biggest reasons we keep coming back to this area. We stayed in room 5169, a large king room that felt surprisingly spacious and came with not 1 but 2 private balconies. The views from those balconies were absolutely spectacular. In the morning we could sit out there with our coffee and look out over the beautiful lake, the sparkling pools, and the well-manicured grounds. It really set the perfect relaxing tone for the whole day. Inside the room, the bathroom was a good size with a separate vanity area and a nice stand-up shower that had plenty of hot water and good pressure. You also get a mini refrigerator that is perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cold, a comfortable pull-out sofa bed, a practical work desk if you need to catch up on anything, and a standard coffee maker. The overall decor felt modern, clean, and very inviting with nice neutral tones and comfortable furniture. Nothing felt old or worn out. In our opinion, those 2 balconies were hands down the best part of the entire room. If your budget allows, we strongly recommend upgrading to any room that includes a balcony, because it makes such a big difference in how much you enjoy your stay. The hotel also offers certain rooms that give you direct views of the Epcot fireworks at night, which would be absolutely magical, especially during the big festival seasons. Let us talk honestly about the nightly rates, because this is where a lot of families get surprised. Rates at the Dolphin can change quite a bit depending on the time of year and special events. They usually start somewhere in the low $200 range for standard rooms, and can climb quickly above $500 a night once you move into the premium categories. During peak holiday weeks or big celebrations like the Epcot festivals, you should be prepared to pay well over $600 a night even for a basic room. On our recent visit on March 26th, we were able to book this exact king room for just $166 per night thanks to a special AAA promotion, and that felt like an absolute steal for the location and quality. Keep in mind that on top of the room rate, there is a mandatory $50 per night resort fee plus tax, and self-parking costs $40 per night. Now that resort fee is expensive, but includes quite a few perks. You get enhanced high-speed wireless internet throughout the property, access to instructor-led fitness classes, Swan paddle boat rentals on the lake, nightly family movies and s'mores on the beach, and best of all, daily complimentary transportation to all the Disney theme parks, including water taxi service to Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios right from the rear of the hotel. So while it adds to the total, it does deliver real value if you take advantage of everything. Now is a good time to let you know how the endless summer family saves serious money on hotels like the Dolphin. We have recently partnered with a fantastic travel planning website called Plannin.com, and it has quickly become one of our favorite tools for booking hotels and creating custom itineraries. Plannin.com opens the door to discounts of up to 40% off at more than 2 million hotels worldwide, including plenty of great options right here at Walt Disney World. If you are planning any kind of vacation, whether it is Disney Universal, the beaches, or anywhere else, it is absolutely worth taking a few minutes to sign up and see what kind of deals pop up for your dates. The best part is that membership is completely free and you can get started right away by clicking the link in the description below or scanning the QR code shown here. When you book through our link, you help support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you, and you also get access to our personalized trip planning guides. If you are already a Marriott Bonvoy member, then staying here is even more rewarding. You can earn points on your stay, and you can also redeem them for free nights at the Dolphin. The number of points required for a free night usually starts around 40,000 but can go up to more than 80,000 points during the busy winter holiday season. And if you have reached Platinum Titanium or Ambassador status, you will receive some extra benefits at check-in, including special treats and snacks, which we always look forward to as elite members. Those little welcome gifts make you feel appreciated right from the start. One of the things we love most about the Dolphin is the huge variety of shared amenities that you get to enjoy with the Swan and Swan Reserve hotels. In total, you have access to 6 beautiful outdoor swimming pools spread across the 3 properties. There is a lovely white sandy beach area where you can relax or play, a sand volleyball court, basketball courts, a fun beachside playground for the kids, and plenty of poolside restaurants and lounges. You can also rent private cabanas if you want a more exclusive experience. On the fitness side, there are multiple health clubs with instructor-led classes, including beach yoga, which is a highlight for many guests. Families with younger children will appreciate the Camp Dolphin Kids program, and there is even a 24-hour business center if you need to get any work done. For those looking to unwind, the luxurious Mandara Spa offers massages, facials, and other treatments that make a perfect addition to any stay. We really encourage you to take full advantage of everything because it turns the resort into a complete vacation destination even on days when you are not heading into the parks. When it comes to dining, the Swan and Dolphin Complex offers an impressive range of 23 different restaurants and lounges. You can choose from quick service options when you are in a hurry, all the way up to upscale fine dining experiences with celebrity chefs. Some of the standout spots include Italian favorites at Il Mulino, creative seafood at Todd English is Blue Zoo, vibrant Mexican flavors at Rosa Mexicano, and an excellent steakhouse known as Bourbon Steak. There are also several poolside spots for casual bites and creative cocktails. No matter what kind of mood you are in for food or drinks, you will find something delicious right on property. We spent time exploring several of the options during our short stay, and everything we tried was high quality. Staying at the Dolphin also unlocks several valuable Disney guest benefits that make your park days smoother and more enjoyable. You are able to purchase Lightning Lane passes up to 7 days in advance of your check-in date, which is a game changer for skipping lines on busy days. You also receive 30-minute early theme park entry, and on certain select nights, you can enjoy extended evening hours. Another big perk is free standard parking at the Disney theme parks when you show your room key. Plus, if golf is part of your plans, you can make advanced tee time reservations at any of the Disney golf courses. All of these extras really add up and help justify the investment in an on-property hotel like this one. Overall, we highly recommend the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort, especially if your trip lines up with Epcot is fantastic festivals such as the Food and Wine Festival or the Flower and Garden Festival. The walking distance location makes those events so much more convenient. As longtime elite Marriott Bonvoy members, we love being able to earn or redeem points here on a regular basis, and we always appreciate those little extra snacks and treats provided at check-in. Even if you are not planning to visit the theme parks every single day, the beautiful pools, the sandy beach, the great dining options, and the on-site spa make the Dolphin an excellent choice for a relaxing weekend staycation right in the middle of Walt Disney World. And if watching this video has you dreaming about owning your own vacation home in Florida, your perfect home base for all your Disney trips and so much more, then we would love to invite you to visit our website at endlesssummerflorida.com. We have packed the site with helpful information on vacation homes, and everything you need to know about buying in the Sunshine State. Thanks so much for watching this complete Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort tour and stay. If you found the video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more honest hotel tours, driving tours, and theme park content from right here in Florida.